Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to downloading Python programming textbooks in PDF format with code examples. Introduction. Python programming has gained immense popularity due to its simplicity, versatility, and wide range of applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, having a reliable Python programming textbook is essential for mastering the language. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of downloading Python programming textbooks in PDF format, and we'll provide code examples to help you get started on your programming journey. Step 1. Choose a Python programming textbook. Before you can download a Python programming textbook, you need to decide which one to use. There are numerous excellent textbooks available, such as Python Crash Course by Eric Mathis, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swayegard, or Fluent Python by Luciano Ramelho. Once you've selected a textbook, proceed to the next steps. Step 2. Search for the textbook online. Open your preferred web browser and search for the chosen Python programming textbook along with the keywords PDF download. Many textbooks have online versions available for free, and some websites provide PDF versions for download. Step 3. Visit authorized websites. It's crucial to download textbooks from reputable and authorized websites to ensure the accuracy and legality of the content. Common sources include the official website of the author, publisher websites, or educational platforms like GitHub, where authors may share their work. Example. Let's say you want to download Python Crash Course by Eric Mathis. Visit the official website or search for the book on GitHub. If the author has provided a PDF version, it should be available for download. Note: make sure to install the required libraries using pip install requests Beautiful Soup 4. Step 4. Verify the legitimacy. Always verify that you are downloading the textbook from a legitimate source. Avoid downloading from suspicious websites to prevent potential security risks and copyright infringements. Conclusion. Downloading Python programming textbooks in PDF format can be a convenient way to access valuable learning resources. By following this tutorial and using the provided code examples, you can obtain your preferred Python programming textbook and start enhancing your programming skills. Remember to respect the author's rights and choose authorized sources for downloading educational materials. Happy coding! ChatGPT